You know those days when everything is going just right? You wake up before your alarm goes off, you feel refreshed, you have time to enjoy your coffee, there's no traffic, and even better, every single light is green. Those days are the best. Can you imagine timing your drive perfectly and hitting all the green lights on the way to work every single day? Well, down in Texas, that is exactly what they're trying to do with traffic signal optimization. Don't get too excited though. The idea is to time green lights for trucks that deliver freight to prevent them from having to stop quite as often. With semi-trucks weighing anywhere between 35,000 and 80,000 pounds, it takes quite a bit of energy to get them going and even more to stop them. With a program like this, it's expected that fleets would see reduced fuel consumption, travel time, maintenance costs, and even accidents. For Texas, this 5-year program focuses on improving traffic signal timing, specifically in areas with high freight traffic, and it will be based on real-time conditions. These types of programs are becoming more popular, so expect to see more like it. If you want advice on how to register for the program and steps to prepare, just check out the full article in the description below or contact us by filling out the form below, and one of our DOT compliance specialists will help you out. But for now, let's take a look at 5 ways that it can help all you truckers out there. Number 1, it will be huge on saving fuel. As you already know, fuel is one of the largest expenses for any fleet, so I'd have to assume that most carriers would jump at the opportunity to save. Getting 80,000 pounds to move over and over can eat up quite a bit of fuel, and don't even get me started on stop and go traffic. We're going, we're stopping, we're going, we're stopping, we're going, all right! We're gonna keep going. No, we're stopping again. Ah! Let me put it this way. You have a fleet of trucks running year-round. They could all keep doing the exact same thing, and you could be saving money on fuel, operational costs, and have a more relaxed driver. Honestly, I don't see the downside here. Number 2, your drivers would also be reducing their overall travel time and potentially increasing the number of loads that they can handle. It's estimated that for every 5,000 freight stops eliminated at traffic lights every day, 3,800 minutes of travel time is saved for truck drivers, which adds up to thousands of hours over the course of a year. Number 3, you'll have lower maintenance costs. You know how when you buy a used car that has a lot of miles on it and the seller says, don't worry about the mileage, it's all highway miles. Well, assuming they're telling the truth, there is something to that. There's a lot less stress on all parts of a vehicle when it's just rolling down the highway compared to dealing with stop-and-go city traffic. So you can expect lower maintenance costs, breakdowns, and general wear and tear on all of your trucks. Number 4 is increased safety for all your drivers. You know how intersections are. Yeah, dangerous. There's always that one jackwagon that's got to make the light, but they aren't making the green light, they're running that red light. And BAM! Your morning just got a lot worse. Well, for truckers, the biggest problem are those quick lane changes and sudden stops. Like I said before, stopping an 80,000 pound truck ain't easy. Now, it won't eliminate all accidents, but with smoother traffic flow and less stress, hopefully there's less aggressive driving. And last but not least, let's not forget about the good old environment. Less stops means less idling, which means less emissions. Based on some of the estimates, we could reduce our carbon footprint by up to 325 metric tons in just 1 year. And all this fancy light technology is actually pretty simple. The program operates on 2 cloud-based services called EcoDrive and Smart Priority. Nothing needs to be installed on trucks, and nothing is installed on traffic lights. As a truck moves along its route, the GPS data is shared, and drivers with the EcoDrive app are advised when the light will change and a recommended speed to reach the light while it's green. In addition, the Smart Priority app manages the cycle of the light to coordinate with the truck's arrival, adjusting the timing of the traffic light to coordinate with trucks approaching the intersection. Based on the conditions and the apps communicating with each other, the lights can turn green early or even stay green longer to keep trucks moving through the intersections. If you have any questions about this program, want to know how to register and prepare, or are just interested in getting help with fuel savings and vehicle maintenance, just give us a call, email, or fill out the form below and we can help you out.